Alright, so good morning YouTube world. What? We're shredding pit bikes today. We got the man Mike Pettit over here. He's already got his pit bike loaded up. We're giving the vlog the breakdown. It's 10:24. It's like 70 degrees on an October Sunday.
Hell yeah, we're about to go groom the track.
And we're gonna shred pit bikes. First we gotta get some breakfast sandwiches and then we'll be on our way. Here, I'll show you guys what today's pork roll, egg and cheese is looking like. See if she fires up without a choke. This triple is kind of like all or nothing, and a lot of people don't even hit it. They just kind of go double, single. So we're just gonna push the landings together, make it one kind of bigger double that everyone could hit. What do you think about this, broski?
How do I go, yo? There's like an e-brake on.
This thing?
Yeah.
Let's see. You're in neutral.
Now I'm in medium.
And we got T-Betch rolling up in here. Yo, Tyler still got all the OG Dub stickers on his truck. Tyler,
What's going down?
I'm showing the vlog that you still have like the OG, let me get some right here.
What up? What's
The OG Dub stickers on the back of your truck.
One on the front too.
Do you really?
Yeah, one on the front. It was red, now it's white.
Oh shit. Yo, Luke attempted to get a scoop of dirt and that's what he got. That's what. Look at this, dude. So nice and sandy.
You filming, Donzi?
Yeah, I am. You filming? You Snapchatting?
I'm Snapchatting.
Crazy how look. Just 2 passes. It's just, yeah, it's all like fluffy and perfect sand all the way through here.
That's so nice. This is nice.
It looks so perfect behind you. It looks fine, dude.
It looks sick. It went down right away.
No, look at the skip marks on your ass. You know what, I might as well show the video of the new double they built. What happened?
I need a front brake.
Is that what happened? This new double's pretty big. Cool jump. What do you got, arm pump? I haven't even ripped through here yet. So I've just been kind of getting stuff ready and I'm not even supposed to be riding pit bikes right now, to be completely honest. Damn, look how mint this sand is though. It's like a fresh rut all the way through there. Look at them, they cross up and everything. That's so legit. Here comes Ty. See all the rocks?
Yo,
I'm gonna show him how to fucking really wheel. No, we need to keep working this turn. We can get like 4 lines in it.
We've never really had, like, that outside's got like a nice berm on it right now. Yep, Pettit just blew it out a little bit. So did Luke, he did it even worse. Damn.
Because Pettit's going down.
So inform the vlog on what's going on because I just...
Alright, so out of me, Pettit, and Luke, Luke thinks he's gonna beat me and Pettit, which is fucking bonkers. He must be out of his
what is it, 3-lap sprint and the fastest out of the...
No, it's just one lap sprint.
Alright. We'll get your lap time. Pettit's going first. Alright. Let's see what he can get. Oh,
You suck.
we'll just end this now. Here's Pettit's attempt number 2. Oh god damn it! I didn't hit the timer. I'm gonna tell him to keep going. I'm gonna do it on the face of this double. Yo, do one more. Do one more.
In here.
Nah, clearly not.
Donzi
We don't have an accurate time on that lap.
Why?
Unless we rewind the footage and time it off the camera. Alright, so Pettit's lap time was a 42:73 after we just reviewed the footage.
Go, Luke. 42.
Luke's up next. He lost.
He lost.
just by that wood section.
Yeah.
Did he go down?
Just go to that wood section.
Just by hitting the tabletop, he was off. He was done.
Luke, you're already at 16 seconds, bro.
I think you lost.
You going?
Go.
Luke, what happened, bro? You're at a 114. What up, Dill?
Go, bro.
Alright, we're
running lap
doing
times
lap
right
time.
now.
Yo, is this the freshie you just bought?
Freshie.
Look at that thing.
It's a
What happened there,
little,
bud?
little beat up.
I like the triple.
Yeah, Shreddy Eddie, what's good, bro?
That's good, yeah.
We're doing lap times right
doing
now.
lap
Luke's
times.
on
You
his.
want lap time?
Pettit did a 42. Yo, look at the new double, too, they built.
Oh, shit. Yeah.
That is built a nice guy.
Luke's inside, around the double. I can't talk too much because I'm not even like riding, so. He's at a 40, 41, 42. 45, 37.
Oh, God. Tell him to fucking take off the
A
track.
45, 37.
What'd you get? What?
45.
I got a 42, but
Yeah.
3 seconds slower than him. All right.
Tyler's up next. Should I go grab the
He's about to go. I
GoPro?
don't even have a front
Run.
brake, but I'm still about to win.
yeah, that is.
If my bike will start.
Where you going?
Yo, Pettit, bro. Tyler's giving you a run for your money right now. $44.95. Yo, you did a 44. I'm trying to figure out where Pettit cut the track.
What? Pettit's quick, dude. He's quick.
Alright, do this one, Don.
I think it's a GTR, dude. These things are way faster.
fine. I mean, it's kind of hard. I don't have a
Yeah,
front
you
brake,
don't have a
but
front brake.
Whatever.
It's okay. I mean, Luke, what's your excuse?
Pettit's just so sick. I'm full too. I just ate so much food, like
So much cheesesteak
yeah.
pizza and everything.
He don't want the sauce anyways.
Damn, a 41.93.
What up?
Damn.
What's going down?
What up?
How's your day? What's
Damn.
good?
Yo, 41.93.
Lane
What
is
up, Jeremy?
down.
Dude, that's later, man.
Pettit's leaving. Let me get some right
I had
here.
to throw down some fast laps for everyone, show them how to
Yeah,
way
I
around
know.
the track, and I'm out.
So Pettit currently holds the fastest lap time, so we're all gonna figure out how to beat it now.
See you later, Pettit.
All right, later. Where you going?
I think.
Oh, did he go down? You good?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh,
Alright.
Yeah, we
you
good.
just took a dirt sample.
Took a little gravy.
Look at the little chunk of dirt out of here. What'd you do, landing with your bar sideways? You did a nasty turn down, dude. It looked huge from the backside. It did
My
look,
back wheel washed out hella hard, and I was like, yeah, that's
and it just slid out. Oh, you got, look at that thing. It's like a, you took around on the road, that's why.
yeah, pretty much.
Look at this rut coming up this single. It's like a hole. That's how to blow a corner out 101.
I just pulled that out. I'm sorry.
Eddie did before.
This line's so fun.
This
I
inside.
can't turn this way, dude.
Buttery.
Coming in hot.
That's how you get it done.
Tyler, give it a shot.
I don't know if I know how to do this kind of
I don't know if I know how to do this. Yo, first gear, and you just right. Oh my! Yo, right on the edge.
We could easily move this dirt over to there, Don's, and just
Action. Well, everyone follow Ryan Germer. He's the one.
I'm the one filming right now.
Just getting all the clips, you know. Building this nice little hit. This is the way I hit.
What knock? Dude, this thing is steep. Just send it.
I just hit it. You're fine. You hit it? Yeah. No shot.
He didn't hit it.
Fuck no.
Don just got his helmet. He's all ready now.
Oh, dude.
What do you
Just
think?
gonna send it. For like a quick little, like, you know,
half-hour fucking
It wasn't even half hour. I feel like it was like 10 minutes. This little hit's fun. Just dump some dirt and backblade. That's all it was. Over a bunch of sketch stuff, whatever. Sketchy dirt. So I'll give the vlog a little update on the P-Dub. She's gonna be running. Y'all, she is running, but she's gonna be rideable in about a week. We got one more episode with Crack, and we have everything's gonna be put together.
I'll donate a PW to the compound.
I'll donate some foot pegs to it, cause then Ryan could be shredding right now, you know. I'm gonna cap the vlog real quick. All right, so that's gonna be it for this one, guys. The next video will probably be us working on the P-Dub, getting that finished, and then we'll be shredding it out here. So until next time, guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, we'll catch you next time.